students, last class we have seen about the topic internal structure of dicot stem and internal structure of monocot stem. Okay. Today I am going to explain detailing the topic internal structure of dicot leaf and internal structure of monocot leaf. Okay. First, draw the diagram. The first part is epidermis. First part epidermis. The leaf has upper epidermis and lower epidermis. Epidermis is covered with cuticle. Lower epidermis is covered with cuticle. Vascular bundles is present in the center place. Next, palisade parenchyma. It is made up of parenchyma cells. Parenchyma cells are loosely packed with intercellular spaces. This is palisade parenchyma. Inside the chloroplast is present. This is spongy parenchyma. They are arranged in intercellular spaces. Next vascular bundle is midrib is larger. Inside vascular bundle consists of xylem and phloem is present. Vascular bundles is surrounded by a sheath is called bundle sheath. Next phloem. Okay. Spongy parenchyma. Next xylem. Next one phloem. Lower epidermis. Stomata. Bundle sheath. Okay, students. Okay. First we see the upper epidermis. Upper epidermis is the outermost layer. It is made up of single parenchyma cell without interspellar spaces. Okay, the upper epidermis have one or two stomata. Okay, why are stomata are present in less in number? What is the use of the stomata? Stomata involved in the transpiration process. What is transpiration? Transpiration means loss of water in the form of transpiration. Okay, evaporation, that is called transpiration. So stomata involved in the transpiration process. Why less amount of stomata is present in the upper epidermis is stomata minimize the transpiration. Okay, cuticle is present. What is the use of this cuticle? The cuticle will protect the inner tissue. Okay, next part lower epidermis. Lower epidermis. Lower epidermis is also made up of single parenchyma cell. Single parenchyma cell. They are arranged one more number of stomata present. What is the use of stomata? Stomata involved in the transpiration process. What is transpiration? Stomata involved in the transpiration process. Transpiration. Okay. Another one part. Next, mesophyll. What is mesophyll? Mesophyll means The tissue present between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis is called mesophyll. Okay, what is mesophyll? Mesophyll means the tissue present between the upper epidermis and lower epidermis is called mesophyll. Okay, the mesophyll is differentiated into the palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Okay, first we see the palisade parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma. Okay, palisade parenchyma are it's found just below the upper epidermis. It is elongated. Okay, that do not have intercellular spaces. Okay, they do not have intercellular spaces. The cells gave chloroplast. So, what is the use of the chloroplast? It is involved in the photosynthesis process. Okay, one more time repeated. What palisade parenchyma is? Elongated. It is found just below the upper epidermis. Okay, it is elongated cells. The cells do not have intercellular spaces. Next, chloroplast is present. What is the use of chloroplast? It involved in the photosynthesis process. Next one, spongy parenchyma. The spongy parenchyma is found just below the palisade parenchyma. Okay, with intercellular spaces. What is the use of the spongy parenchyma? It involves the gaseous exchange. Okay, what is the meaning of gaseous exchange? O2 and CO2. Okay, so exchange the gases. Spongy parenchyma use, palisade parenchyma use involved in the photosynthesis. Palisade parenchyma use involved in the gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange. Okay, next one, vascular bundle. Vascular bundle. Okay, vascular bundle or midrib is large in size. Okay, vascular bundles are midrib is larger in size. Xylem and phloem is present. Vascular bundle, xylem and phloem present. The larger xylem element is known as metaxylem. The smaller xylem element is known as protoxylem. Okay, what is the use of xylem? It conducts the water and minerals to different parts of the plant. Okay, what is the use of phloem? It conducts the food materials to different part of the plant. Okay, the xylem towards the upper epidermis, the phloem towards the lower epidermis. Okay, next one, each vascular bundle is surrounded by a parenchymatous sheath is called bundle of sheath. Okay, parenchymatous, each vascular bundle surrounded by a sheath is called bundle sheath. Next one important, vascular bundle type, conjoint, collateral, closed type. Conjoint, collateral and closed type of vascular bundle. Closed type. What is the meaning of conjoint? Conjoint means xylem and phloem arranged the same radius, that is called conjoint. Next one, collateral. What is collateral? Collateral means xylem towards the center, phloem towards the periphery, that is called collateral. What is the meaning of closed? Means without cambium. Does not cambium present in the xylem and phloem, so it is called closed type of vascular system. Okay, so again no time repeat, vascular bundle is present in the midrib is larger. Each vascular bundle is surrounded by a tissue is called parenchyma. This is called bundle sheath. Okay, vascular bundle consists of xylem elements and phloem elements present. Okay, vascular bundle type, conjoint, collateral and closed type of vascular bundle is present in the dicot leaf. Okay, next we see the internal structure of monocot leaf. Monocot leaf. Okay. Okay, first draw the diagram. First part epidermal, upper epidermis. Upper epidermis is covered with cuticle. That is called fully formed cells. Lower epidermis. Next, vascular bundle. Xylem and phloem is present in the vascular bundle. In monocot leaf, large number of vascular bundles present. Okay. Xylem and phloem is present. Next, fully formed cells. phloem, xylem, metaxylem and protoxylem is present. This is lower epidermis. Stomata. Okay. Okay students. Internal structure of monocot leaf. The monocot leaf has upper epidermis and lower epidermis. Okay. The upper epidermis is made up of single layer of parenchyma cell and lower epidermis is made up of single layer of parenchyma cell. Okay. First epidermis. It is made up of single layer of parenchyma cell. The upper epidermis is covered with thick cuticularized cells. Okay. Another one, some cells are look like very large cells, that is called fully formed cells is present in only the upper epidermis. This is very important by note it. Okay. Next one, mesophyll. What is mesophyll? Mesophyll means it is ground tissue is present. The mesophyll is present. It is upper epidermis and lower epidermis. But this type of monocot leaf, it is not differentiated the mesophyll, palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. But mesophyll tissue is present. But mesophyll tissue, it is not differentiated into the palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Okay. Next part, vascular bundle. What is the use of vascular bundle? Are arranged in large number of vascular bundles are arranged. 1, 2, 3. So large number of vascular bundles are arranged. Xylem and phloem is present. What is the use of xylem? It conduct the water into different part of the plant. Phloem is conduct the food in different part of the plant. Okay, metaxylem and protoxylem is present. What is metaxylem? The larger xylem element is known as metaxylem. The smaller xylem element is known as protoxylem present. Another one, bundle sheath is present. What is bundle sheath? Bundle sheath means each vascular bundle is surrounded by parenchymatous sheath is called bundle sheath. Okay. Another one important, the vascular type, conjoined, collateral and closed type. Okay. Means of vascular bundles. Vascular bundles type, conjoined, collateral and closed. What is the meaning of conjoined? Conjoined means xylem and phloem are arranged in the radius, so it is called conjoined. What is collateral? Xylem towards the center and phloem towards the periphery, that is called collateral. What is the meaning of closed? Means without cambium. Cambium is absent, so it is called closed type of vascular system is present. Okay. Each vascular bundle, xylem towards the upper epidermis, phloem towards the lower epidermis. Okay. These are the main important point. And another one, lower epidermis, numerous stomata is present. What is the use of the numerous stomata? Stomata are involved in the transpiration process. Okay. What is transpiration? Transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapor. Okay. This involved in the main process in stomata transpiration. These are the main important point of the monocot leaf. Main difference between the monocot leaf and dicot leaf, only one main difference. Dicot leaf, mesophyll is differentiated into the palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. But monocot leaf, mesophyll present but does not differentiate. Okay. This is only main difference between the monocot leaf and dicot leaf. Thank you students. Okay students, today homework, learn and write monocot leaf and dicot leaf internal structure. Okay, thank you.